Hello everyone. Top 5 offline businesses you can start today and begin to earn money from them. Top 5 offline businesses you can start today. On this channel, I've been teaching you how to make money online and offline. And I need to let you know that not everyone wants to dive into the online hustle, and that is okay. Offline businesses remain some of the most reliable and profitable ventures, especially in communities where digital access is limited or face-to-face services are highly valued. If you've been thinking about starting something tangible, here are 5 practical offline businesses you can launch right away. Number one is food vending and catering. Food will always be in demand, from roadside snacks to small catering services. People will pay for good, affordable meals. Start-up needs cooking skills, small capital for ingredients, basic utensils, and a good spot or location. The earning potential can be in dollars 300 to $1,000 monthly depending on location and customer base. This is best for anyone passionate about cooking or willing to hire a cook. Number two business is laundry and dry cleaning services. With busy work schedule, this is basically good in a city or working class area or where you have students in universities. So they have busy work schedules. Many people prefer outsourcing laundry. The startup needs washing machine or hand wash, iron, detergents, and a space to operate. The earning potential is $400 to $1,500 plus per month, depending on your clientele. Then it is best for people in cities or student dominated areas. Number three business is retail store or provision shop, selling everyday essentials, groceries, toiletries, and drinks is a stable business. The startup needs small shop space, wholesale purchase of goods, basic shelves. Then the earning potential is 500 to 2,000 plus monthly. This is best for those in residential or high foot traffic areas. Number four is barbering or hair salon. Hair grows every day, which means barbers and stylists never run out of customers. The startup needs are clippers, mirrors, chairs, and basic salon setup. The earning potential also is 400 to $2,500 per month, depending on location and the pricing. This is best for skilled barbers or those willing to employ trained hands. Number five business that you can do offline and make good money is transportation business. You can be Okada, Keke, taxi, Bolt, Uber in major cities or others. People will always need affordable transportation for work, school, and markets. The startup needs motorcycle, tricycle, or car can also lease to a driver. The earning potential is 600 to $2,000 per month, depending on area and hours worked. This is best for individuals in urban or semi-urban areas. Those in villages also can make money from this by moving farm produce from the farm to the market. Starting an offline business doesn't require huge capital, just the right idea, location, and consistency. Whether you choose food vending, laundry, retail, salon, or transportation, you can build a steady income stream that supports your financial goals. I believe that you have gained value from this video. If that is the case, please subscribe, like, share, and keep coming back for more content like this. If you have comments for me, drop it in the comment section of this video. This video coming up by the side is the next one you need to watch now. Please go ahead and watch it. See you in the next one.